Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make a Discord bot. So in this case you have to go to this developer Discord developer portal. You have to go this portal first, then open a tab again and write here bot ghost, this one. Okay, in developer portal now we have to select applications, then new application, then you have to name your bot here like good bot. Check this and create your bot. After create this application you have to go bot ghost. Now create a bot, you can see here in red option. Then scroll down and you have to invite. Oh sorry, that's my old bot, so do not click on invite, just go here green bot, that's my previous bot name. So you have to make a new bot, or if you don't have any bot yet, that will be inserted here, new bot. After clicking on new bot you have to collect that token, bot token. Where you have get this token, go here and go to bot, this option, scroll down and you'll find here reset token. Just click on reset token and you have to copy this. This is your token. Do not share this token with anyone. This is your own bot token. So now paste it here, create a bot. Okay, here's all of your comments. You can use this bot. So now you have to do is invite in your channel to the bot. Click on invite, then choose your server. I'm choosing this one. Awesome guys. Click on continue, authorize, make sure you're not a bot. Okay, you will now go to awesome guys. Let's check the bot is working or not. Here we can see our channel awesome guys, and in general the bot is here. So if you want to comment your bot here like ping, let's see if it's working or not. Enter. Okay, you can see here form latency is 302, bot latency is 30 ms. So yeah, this is how you can make a bot online in Discord. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.